Boat started from A, it has to reach the other end, but it is not going straight because of the wind force. It is just tilted and it is going in this direction, just cross direction it is going. Even suppose if you are going, moving from one point to other point, instead of going straight, we are going little incline. We are going little incline. Like that also, because of the wind force, boat started from here. Instead of traveling like this, it inclined and going in this direction. Anyway, it reached the other end. Instead of reaching this point, it reached here. Because this total is the bank only. Only this is the water. So this is the land, other end of the bank. So the boat can reach here or here or here. Any point it can reach. So it reached, say for example, C. Then what is the distance travelled by the boat? 600 meters it is given. Question is, what is the width of the river? Width of the river. What is the width of the river? X we have to find. Very simple. Just I will introduce this in the problem. Right now. Let A comma B be the two banks of the river. Two ends of the river. Right now. Let A comma B be the two ends of the river. Let A comma B be the two ends of the river. Let width of the river AB is equal to X. Let width of the river AB is equal to X. We are assuming. We have to find this X value. Let width of the river is flowing like this. River is not like this, it is flowing like this. So this is one end, this is other end. Let width of the river AB is equal to X. Okay. Boat, right now, the boat started from A. See the introduction. With this introduction you can understand the problem. Boat started from A. Boat started from A. Let it reach the other bank at C. Started from A. But it is moving not straight. It is moving some cross. Boat started from A. Let it meets the other bank at C. Let it meets the other bank at C. AC is equal to 600 meters given. This distance is given. Boat traveled distance is given, but width of the river and this distance both are not same, because if you are measuring the width, we measure straight. We don't measure cross. Of course, this distance is 600, but question is, what is the width of the river? X we have to find. So write down. First, A and B are the two banks of the river. Let width of the river AB is equal to X over. Boat started from A. Let it reach the other end at C. So AC is equal to 600 meters given. Okay, next. So, write down. The boat makes an angle 60 degrees with the bank. Boat, write down. Boat is traveling by making 60 degrees with the bank. That is given. Boat is traveling by making 60 degrees with the bank. Don't write this water, this everything. Just a triangle is enough. Just for explanation, I have given all this. Boat makes an angle 60 degrees with the bank. That's all. Now, in triangle ABC, don't write now. Now the procedure start. Now I am solving the problem. In triangle ABC, then what is this angle then? What is this angle? Angle BAC. This angle. angle BAC is equal to, what is this angle? This angle we want. See here, whenever vertical line is there, horizontal line is there, total angle will be 90 degrees. See here, this is the bank, this is the say river, this angle is 90 degrees. If this total is 90, then this will be 30 degrees because this is 60, no? This will be 30 degrees. So then it is 30 degrees because vertical line, horizontal line. Vertical line and horizontal line, what is the total angle? 90. So if this is 60, remaining will be 30. So this angle is 30, which is required for our triangle because we don't want any other angles. We want the angle inside the triangle. So if this is 60, this will be 30. Now which ratio I have to use? We have three ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin, cos, tan. For this angle, this is the opposite side. Let us name the sides. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So do we require opposite? No, we don't want this side. So the problem is dealing with the adjacent side and hypotenuse. Adjacent to hypotenuse is cos theta. See here. Cos theta is 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to, cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. Don't write. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So in this figure, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. See the table. Cos 30 value, just look at and root 3 by 2. Already I think you may be perfect in this. So you need not see the table because we completed total chapter and we entered into this chapter. So I think all these values you might be knowing. For 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. You should know sine. You should know the values for tan. You should know the values for cos. These three, enough, three. So cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. What is the adjacent? X. Hypotenuse 600. Cross multiply. 2x is equal to 600 into root 3. 2x is equal to, cross multiplying, 2 into x is equal to 600 into root 3. To that side. 600 root 3 by 2. 300 times 300 root 3 meters, which is the answer. That is the answer. Simple. Only one step. We are using cos. We have to decide, shall we use sine or cos or tan? Only three. So problem is dealing with which sides? This is called adjacent side. You know the names of the sides. From the beginning, from trigonometry starting onwards, I am naming the sides. What is the name of this side? Adjacent side. What is the name of this side? The biggest side is always hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is what ratio? Cos. What is the angle? 30. What is cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. What is adjacent side? X. What is hypotenuse? 600. 2 into x is equal to 600 into root 3. So to that side, 600 by 2 is 300 root 3. Right. This is the procedure. Procedure is simple, but diagram you have to understand. Here, little confusion. Generally, we feel that boat travel from one end means it will go straight and it will reach this point. But because of the wind, it is not going straight. It is just tilting and going in the inclined direction. Just the inclined direction it is going, making 60 degrees with the bank. So it traveled 600 meters. What is the width of the river? What is the distance from one end of the river to opposite end? What is the width of the river? What is this x value we have to find? Over. Complete it and read the next question. Students, if you don't follow, just you put again doubt or anything in the chat box. If you understood, just tell me followed, understood. Good morning, students. Did you follow this problem or not? Yes, just tell me. Only 2-3 steps. Only 2-3 steps. Only three steps. But diagram is important. Over? Copied? Are you able to see the steps, or should I write little bigger? That you tell me. Students, 9th question. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. See here. Don't write when I am drawing or doing something on the board. You should not write. Just see. If you are not able to copy the problem, you can copy afterwards also. You can go through the video afterwards and you can copy. But when I am teaching, just listen, don't copy. This is the ground. There is a palm tree. There is a tree like this. This is a tree. There is a tree. But don't draw like this, just for explanation. Only line you should draw. Don't do any show put up. This is the tree. AB is the tree. Standing on the ground. Tree will be straight only, no? Here there is a tree. It is straight. Now, an observer is there. Where is that observer? He is not standing at the tree. He is standing at 13.2 meters away from the tree. This is the tree. See here, tree. In exam, don't mention like that. Don't write tree. Only line is enough. But only for explanation I am writing. So what is AB? Tree. Where is the person? Person is at a distance of 13.2 meters away from the tree. So 13.2 meters. 13.2 meters away from the tree. Person is here. Say P. Person. Person. Any point you can, any symbol you can use. So AB is the tree, palm tree. Person is standing here. Where he is standing? At a distance of 13.2 meters from the tree. From the tree, 13.2 distance is standing here. Is standing here. But first time there is some confusion. See here. Generally, from here we observe the top of the tree, top of the building, top of the tower, top of the mountain, some top of the object we observe. So the angle formed is called angle of elevation. In all these problems, it was like that only. But first time, person height is also given. Person In the previous cases, height of the person not given means we have to feel that observing point is here. If the height of the person not given, then we have to feel that the person is observing from here. See here, he is looking like this. So if the height of the person is not given means we have to feel that person is here only. That means observing point is here only. But now height of the person is given. Height of the person is given. Height of the person is 1.8 meters. Height of the person is 1.8 meters. Person height. The person is standing here, no? So he will be having some height. So PQ. Let PQ be the person. Let PQ be the person. Let PQ be the person. Person is standing here. Tree is standing here. The distance of the person from the tree is 13.2, that is given. So person height is also given. A person of height 1.8 meters is standing a distance of 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. That is the question. PQ is the person. AB is the tree. This is the person. Person. PQ is the person. Now, the person is observing the top of the tree. See here. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes. Angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes. So the person is observing the top of the tree. In all the previous cases, person height was not given. So we take angle of elevation like this. But first time person height is given, so he will see from here. He won't see from this point. So because he is standing here, so his eyes will be here, and he is seeing the tower like this, the top of the tree like this. So from here he is seeing like this, not from here. This is foot of the person, legs. These are the eyes. So at 1.8 meters, from here he is observing the tree, top of the tree. That is the problem. With the angle of elevation 45 degrees. Angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Where we have to write that 45 degrees? Elevation means if you are looking top, the angle formed is called angle of elevation. Suppose if you are looking like this, so angle of elevation means we have to draw the horizontal, then we write the angle. So here angle of elevation 45 degrees means draw a line, horizontal line like this, and this is 45. Angle of elevation 45 means if this direction is given, 45 means what? We have to draw horizontal line and then we have to write the angle. So two lines are required for the angle. So this is the why I have drawn this line, because this is the observing direction. From here we are observing the top of the tower, top of the tree. These are the person eyes. So he is observing from here, he is observing the top of the tree. Angle of elevation 45 degrees means we have to draw a horizontal line, then we have to write the 45 degrees. Question is, what is the question? What is the height of the tree? What is the height of the tree? Height of the tree we have to find. Height of the tree we have to find. This is the height of the tree. H be the height of the tree, for example. Now, this horizontal line I am extending. I am extending this horizontal line to, it is meeting this point, say at C, for example, C. So, what is this distance? What is the height of this person? What is this PQ? 1.8. This is 1.8. If this is 1.8, this is also 1.8. This is 1.8. This is also 1.8. what will be this remaining? What will be this remaining distance? Total height of the tree is h. I want this distance. So h minus 1.8. Suppose if I want this distance, see, total height of the tree is h. This is 1.8, means I want this remaining distance. So h minus 1.8, h minus 1.8. That is, write very neatly. Don't write anything. So just I will give the notes. Don't write. What is the triangle here? Which is the triangle here? See here. CBQ. This is the triangle. Only this is the triangle. This is not the triangle. See the directions. CBQ. CBQ is the triangle. Don't write. CBQ is the triangle. So I am using tan theta formula. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan. In this triangle, what is the angle? 45 degrees given in the problem. Opposite for this angle is only this side, BC. BC. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is QC. QC. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is QC. What is tan 45? See the value. See the value. Tan 45 is 1. BC is total height of the tree is h. So then this remaining will be h minus 1.8 by QC is same as this distance. This is 13.2. This is also 13.2. Cross multiplication. H minus 1.8 is equal to 13.2 into 1, 13.2. H is equal to 13.2 plus 1.8. 13.2 plus 1.8 is 15 meters. You add these two, that is 15 meters. That is the answer. This is also little difficult because application of trigonometry means definitely it is hard model only, because trigonometry after completing the chapter we are using its application. So definitely some problems will be difficult, but anyway I am explaining very slowly, so you please understand. See here. PQ is the person. PQ is the person. I will give step, each and every step you write, then you can understand. Write down. Height of the person PQ is equal to 1.8. Write down. Height of the person PQ is equal to 1.8. Height of the person PQ is equal to 1.8. Why? It is given. You can write in the bracket given. Height of the person PQ is equal to 1.8. Given. Let height of the tree AB is equal to. See the diagram. Let height of the tree AB is equal to h. Total height h. Let height of the tree AB is equal to h. See here. Let height of the tree AB is equal to how much? H. See once again. H. AB is equal to H. Now. Then what will be AC? If this is 1.8, this is also 1.8 because it is exactly a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. This is 1.8. This will be also 1.8. Then AC is equal to 1.8. Same length Opposite sides are equal. Next is, what is this BC? That is important. BC is equal to how much? That is important. What is this BC? That is only confusion. See, total is H, no? Tree is starting from here. Here to here it is tree. But I want this distance. So here to here H means, if this is 1.8 subtracted, remaining will be H minus 1.8. That's all. Total from here to here H. If this part 1.8 removed, what is the remaining part? H minus 1.8. H minus 1.8. Now, write down. In triangle, this is only, there is only one triangle here. What is the triangle, you tell me? What is the triangle? QCB or BCQ. This is the triangle. Don't look at the diagram. Only see this figure. Only see this figure. QCB. BCQ triangle. See only BCQ triangle. Write down. In triangle BCQ. What is the angle? 45 degrees. What is the opposite side? H minus 1.8. What is this adjacent side? 13.2. Same. This is 13.2. This is also 13.2 because opposite sides are equal. So these two are equal. These two are equal. So opposite is H minus 1.8, adjacent is 13.2, angle is 45 degrees. So now I am taking this triangle only, this part. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, definition, tan definition. Theta is how much? 45. Opposite is how much? H minus 1.8, adjacent is 13.2. H minus 1.8 by 13.2. If before that I wrote one more step, opposite means what? BC. What is the opposite? BC. What is the adjacent? QC. Tan 45 is 1. BC is H minus 1.8 by QC is 13.2. 13.2 into 1, 13.2. Minus 1.8 that side plus 1.8. 1.8 plus 13.2, 15 meters over. Completed. Write the big diagram. Big diagram. Write all the values. This is the person. This total is tree. This is not the tree. Because from here it is starting tree. If this is 1.8, remaining will be H minus 1.8. Angle is given in the problem 45 degrees. So this is also given, distance from the tree to the person is 13.2. Write down. Write down and practice these two problems. Today two difficult problems. So you practice it. Read the question, understand it and practice it. So tomorrow we will do the 10th problem.